that how you treat your customers? Sorry. Yung virus, stay away. No way. I-blow ba man? I-blow. Sa man yung Carlos ka nga kabala?
Okay, mala.
Ah! Aga!
Ice cream. Oy. Oy.
Ato, uy, na kaya tong ano? Magkwanta. Mag-make up na to si Joshua. Nail polish.
You want to have that's man? You don't want this one.
Put everything. Put everything.
Everything you can put.
Everything.
Oh, this one looks so nice.
We are very professional, so don't worry.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Sa man ni? Color naman ni.
Ano ba? Ana, bro.
Nag-rainbow naman ni.
Wala, bitaw ka. Ikaw din magtanggalan na tanan.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. All the proud surround one is a sleigh. So, good morning. Happy birthday and wish you everything. I am going to be a manicure. I will do the, I will do the, this. This is called
Herring.
the Beauty and the Beast manicure. Si Belle. Nadawa naman na naman. And we have this
Chopsticks. Chopsticks.
katong pang prito. Is for the prito. Yeah, it's for the prito of your if you're the fish. No lips to lips Santa Claus, that's gay.
Wait lang.
I will use the what the heck is this? Wait talong.
Bangs.
I will use the what's up? Chop plug ani.
GC person.
I will use the
Ito na, nail polish?
Yeah.
I will use the manicure of the Beauty and the Beast. Si Diva Upstop. Si Beauty and the Beast, she is a very beautiful sponsored this to me. sponsored this to me, and he wanted this to the first try. It is super effective that even the beast is fallen in love with him. I mean her. So I will use it. Yeah. What's up, man?
Kailangan tanan dyan tayo. Huwag mo mabilin.
I did. Manicure
Pura
na.
siya.
It's what you call the invisible attractiveness. I'm so very beautiful, man. Okay. I call this the pedicure. We have this. This is called the black amulet. It is useful. It is useful for my keeping away the bad spirit. You see the black amulet? It looks like a sunog, a donut. And of course, I won't let you forget my cell phone. You have to contact me.
Another bangs.
You have to contact 911 to call me. It's okay. Whenever you try to call me, there is always someone. If you try to call it, if police heard your call, that is me.
Maglisod yung nag-translate ng ano. Natagak yung wig.
Now we will have to use the chichi.
Plancha.
The chichi. We're going to use this for pritzo. Like this. Yeah, straight bongot. Now we have to use this gonteng nail cutter. Why is there a talong?
Eggplant.
Our very prime. Thank you for Beauty and the Beast for the sponsor of.
Rate us.
If I
I-picture sa...
if I were to rate the if I were to if I were to rate the if I were to rate the makeup
We did not make. We did no.
is a 1. Why? Because you did not use the hair dryer.
Ang pili ang makeup.
Yes, sir.
Wala na nawala.
Ang pili ang hair dryer sa makeup niya.
You have to use the hair dryer to make my hair look like Annabelle.
Bruno Mars.
Aya! Wow!
Don't
Rate.
don't forget to sponsor me with the strawberry shortcake pugong. It's so very useful. You smell like a strawberry.
Picture.
Himo pa oy.
Maghimo pa tag film.
Yeah.
Don't worry, there is always a film. I will. Okay, this is the artist of mine. She is born on the typical horse. Look at her face. She looks like a Lisa from Lisa from the Rapunzel. She is the mother of Rapunzel. And this is the what you call it as the pig from Rapunzel. I am the
This is a chukol. Chukol pig.
no.
The pig from Moana.
No.
Moana.
Do you know? I am the Beauty and the Beast.
The beast.
No, I am the what you call if you don't love me on my ugly, you will love me on my beauty. Wow. You don't love me? You love me. Yeah.
No, we
Rapunzel.
don't love you.
Do not listen to
Hi,
her because
Graciela.
this is
Say
the
hi, Graciela.
she is the princesa Manuka.
Say hi, Graciela.
Hello.
Say hi,
Hello.
Graciela.
Hello.
Skitty
Hello.
Marinka,
Hadlock him.
Hello,
Who is
Black.
this?
Hello, Maggie. Look at
She's
you.
scared of you.
She is not looking at the camera because I'm beautiful.
No!
Look at her.
You're a beast.
I am, look at me. Look at me. I am a devil.
Look at us.
Oh.
Make sure if you want to look beautiful, make sure to use this. This is what you call the
No,
poke.
use this.
No,
Use
no.
this.
Make sure to use the Scots. The Scots. Scots. Yes, so very good. And don't forget to don't forget the hair dryer, the super prime one.
Sana.
You always use the hair dryer, man. Always use the hair dryer. So if you look like this
It's
from
part of
before,
the gift, bro.
this is after.
Yes.
Don't you see? Whenever
Guys, sorry, a misunderstanding. I am
a pig.
I am Cinderella, and that's official. No way, I'm Rapunzel, and that's official.
Sorry guys, nagyog ko ikuan. Apel di ko sa Power Rangers. Bye. Lobat na ka. Lobat na ko. Hindi ka na masin.
Ayaw magsuwa is a fake prank.
Okay, take that off you lang.
Bye.